So with Rutgers deciding to implement this campus-wide, school-wide tobacco-free policy, it's going to have tremendous effect on the health and well-being of students, staff, faculty across the university. So one of the things that it does is it changes the culture. And it's really important for us to, we've seen the benefits of changing how people view tobacco products in our society overall. We've seen a gradual reduction in smoking rates across our country, and to some degree it's kind of leveled out. I think it's important to kind of change the culture and just make tobacco use something that's just not as acceptable as it was back in the 1950s and 1960s. Number two, it often makes it less convenient to use tobacco products. So if you can't use them in certain areas, you can't use them on campus, you might not want to get in your car and drive off campus to smoke a cigarette or use a vaping device. And that inconvenience can be, for some people, the kind of trigger point where they say, you know what, I really don't want to keep smoking anyway, and I've been looking for an excuse to try to get help, so I'm going to use this. Or, I started using Juul or Puff Bar, a month ago, and, this is just a hassle now, and I really don't want to continue to do this. So by making it inconvenient and making people think about, hey, maybe this is an opportunity to stop smoking, then they may reach out to the resources we have here at Rutgers to help them quit smoking. So we run a tobacco treatment program here at the Rutgers Center for Tobacco Studies. We're able to offer treatment that's evidence-based, scientifically backed, and is free of charge for people who reach out to us. So that's one resource we hope people will take advantage of. And then there's tobacco treatment resources across the state. So if you're outside of the New Brunswick area, if you're on other campuses here at the university, there's tobacco treatment resources that are funded through the New Jersey Department of Health. They fund 11 quit centers. The New Jersey quit centers are freestanding specialty treatment programs to offer face-to-face, virtual, and group treatment for people to help them quit smoking. There's a New Jersey quit line that Rutgers staff, faculty, and students can access. And there's other internet-based resources to help people with their tobacco use. So a lot of resources available here in New Jersey. We hope that this Rutgers tobacco policy is something that gets people thinking about quitting, and when they think about quitting, they utilize these resources to get help.